That's it. That's it. All right. So that's it. Very easy. And let's go to this one, tracer one. All right. If you use tracer keyword, you will have this one under the calculated grid properties. All right. So you will have ASP, alkaline, surfactant, polymer, flood, and tracers. All right. So you will have all these tracers here, but this is for the concentration. And you see the concentration is dimensionless because it's kilogram per kilogram. Okay, kilogram per kilogram. So 1 kilogram of reservoir water per 1 kilogram of the reservoir water. All right. So initially we haven't run this model. Initially, you see the concentration is 1 and the color is blue, right? Because we see here initially when we use TBLKFA, the initial concentration is 1 kilogram per kilogram, all right? Whereas for the other tracer, initially the values 0, but they will change after we run the model. I want to know the first well, I think 305. So let's run. All right, still calculating. We will have the tracer in September 1980. So you can follow this time slider. You can also switch to 3D. We still don't have the well 305 well name here. So let's wait. You can also follow the pressure if you want, saturation of oil, but the main thing is here. All right, we are entering 1980. All right, here we have 305. I think this one will be the injector. All right, right. So here now I have the concentration of the tracer, and this is the value, colored red. So by using this tracer keyword, you can calculate the breakthrough time from 305 to adjacent producers. And yeah, we are currently looking at the roof view. You can also use minimum, all right? Or we can also use average, all right? And of course, you can go to the 3D view, okay? And you can use your user cut